The remaining sum can be claimed next year when Americans file their tax returns. But an expert thinks families should opt out of monthly child tax credit payments in a warning that households may have to pay some of the money back. Norman Golden of Golden Tax told ABC7, "If you know now that your income is gonna be higher in 2021, and you don't want to have a surprise next year when you file your return and have to pay it back, you may want to consider opting out and just waiting for the credit." This is because the child tax credit is an early payment of the estimated cash for 2021. This means that the money is heavily dependent on 2020 or 2019 income and household size. Therefore, if either salary or household size has changed in the last 2 years, some parents could end up owing money when they file tax returns. It's worth noting that lawmakers did protect lower-income parents from potential overpayments. This means that heads of households who make $50,000 or less, or joint filers with incomes of $60,000 will not need to repay in excess. However, there will be an option to update incomes, the number of dependents, and marital status via the IRS portal later this summer. Households have until August 2 to inform the IRS that they wish to stop receiving monthly child tax credit payments. The Child Tax Credit Program was passed earlier this year under President Joe Biden's American Rescue Plan. The credits are worth $3,600 for every child under the age of 6 and $3,000 for every child aged 6 to 17. Cashing in. To qualify, individuals must earn less than $75,000. For heads of households, it's $112,500. For married couples, the threshold is $150,000. Families with newborn babies also qualify for the tax credit, and there's a single $500 payment for households with college kids. The extension is not permanent as it is due to end next year, although Biden wants to see the program continue until 2025. Some lawmakers fear that extension of the program could see potential tax hikes. Samuel Hammond, Director of Poverty and Welfare Policy at the Niskanen Center, told the AP earlier this year, when it's up for renewal, Republicans will be in the awkward position of opposing payments to families delivered through a credit that they pioneered and championed as recently as 2017. The Child Tax Credit Scheme extension was rolled out earlier this month, and checks went to around 35 million households.